How many people will agree with me that when they wake up in the morning, they feel lazy? They feel as if they have no energy at all, even though they slept for 8 to 9 hours. And somehow they managed to drag themselves from their comfortable bed and started to doing their morning chores. As they're doing it, they are clueless. They don't understand why all these things are happening to them, why they are feeling lazy, why they are feeling agitated. And after completing their morning chores, they are clueless because they have no idea what they're gonna do next. And there are also different kind of people who wake up in the morning, somehow manage to do their chores, and after that, they are agitated because they have so many things in their mind that they need to complete. They have so much work to do, but they are not able to understand which thing they need to do first. Because their mind is so crowded by all these things that are bubbling in their head, they feel clueless. They could not understand which thing to do first, which is important and which is not. And what will happen later? They feel so agitated, they feel so frustrated that they stop doing everything which is important in their life and they open their TV and start watching Netflix. And what happened next is they're gonna waste their entire day just like that. You got to understand one thing: life is too short to be tired all the time, and life is too short to waste. The reason all these things which are happening to an individual is because they are clueless about what the things that they need to be done in the specific time, especially in the morning. Because they don't have a specific goal in their life. That's why they are clueless, because they have no idea what are the things which are important, which are needed to be done first. And because of all these turmoils, their minds started to get collided with all these ideas which they needed to implement at a specific time, and unfortunately, they end up wasting their entire 24 hours. You got to understand one thing: we all have 24 hours. And in that 24 hours, you can either make it or break it. It's your choice. My intention of telling you all these things is because it is very important to have a firm mindset. So why I am telling you all these things? Because it's very important that you know that you need to have all these things already prepared in your mind beforehand, in the night, as you're going to start the next morning. So why I am telling you all these things? Because I need you to be prepared beforehand. When you wake up in the morning, you already should know what are the things that I need to be done. What are the important things, are the highlights which I needed to complete in the morning, so that I don't have any confusions. So all these things are needed to be prepared beforehand. So in today's topic, I'm going to talk about 5 things which a successful people do before bed. It's very important, so watch this video till the end, and especially till the 5th point, because this information will help you out in becoming a better person, a successful person. So before starting this video, I just request you to smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos, and watch this video till the end. And if you like it, do share it with your family and friends, and do hit the like button. So without any further ado, let's get started with the pointers. Number 1, set a sleeping schedule. All these people who are successful, they have a sleeping pattern. They already know when they're gonna sleep and when they're gonna wake up. It's like a habit, like a discipline. They're doing it every single day. It really doesn't matter if there's a holiday or it's the weekend. They are actually following the schedule. So you also have to do that. You have to create a discipline in your lifestyle to be successful. As simple as that. And that's why your body gonna react in a very better way. Like I've said before, when the people wake up in the morning, they feel lazy. When you have this kind of discipline, believe me, you will feel fresh when you're gonna wake up in the morning. Believe me, when you're gonna wake up in the morning, you will feel fresh. And you don't have to fight your personal rhythm. Some people are programmed to stay away later, while the others, they wake up early in the morning. It totally depends upon your body. Understand your body. When you feel productive, wake up at that time. Work upon that time. Understand your body. But always have a specific set of sleeping schedule. Number 2, keep your phone away. What I generally understand is that whenever people go to sleep, they keep their phone next to them. Believe me, that's the number 1 disturbance. Yes, it is. This video that you are watching right now on your cell phone, this is the number 1 distraction. See, every coin has 2 sides. Same as this cell phone. It has the positive side, it has the negative side. If you want, you can have a lot of information from the cell phone, and if you want, you get a lot of bad things also. So it totally depends upon you which side you are seeing. But it's highly recommended to not keep the cell phone next to you. One of the most important reasons is when you wake up in the morning and when the alarm started to buzz, the phone which is near you, you always have the option to turn it off and go to sleep. But when you keep the phone at the corner of your room, your only option is you got to wake up and turn it off. So in that case, you won't be sleeping again. So that is why it is very important to never keep your cell phone next to you at the time of sleeping. When you sleep, keep your phone at the corner of the room. There won't be any disturbance, as well as when you're going to wake up in the morning, you have to walk towards the corner of your room to turn it off, and then you can wake up easily. So do it. Number 3, don't stress. This is also one of the most common things which people do is, just as they are going to sleep, they think about all the negativity which happened in their life. We all gathered the negative information inside our mind and started to feel stress. You got to understand one thing. Whenever you're going to sleep, always have positivity inside you. Because at the time of sleep, your conscious mind go to sleep, but your subconscious mind is still awake. And your subconscious mind absorb all the things which you're feeling right now. If you're feeling negative, the negativity will scroll across your mind. That is why it is very important to let go of all the negativity just before going to bed. Think about all the positivity. Make it like a habit, a discipline, that whenever you're going to go to sleep, you're going to only think about positive things which have happened in your life and nothing else. Do it and see the change in you. Number 4, affirmations. So this is also related to the third point, that we don't have to take any stress. And using this technique of affirmations, we can regain all the positivity which is inside us. How? I will let you know. All you have to do is you have to type on the Google affirmations, and there are thousands of videos which are made on the positive affirmations. You can listen to them while you're about to sleep. Or the best part is you can also make your own affirmations. You can record 1 or 2 minutes of your own affirmations of what the things that you actually want to achieve in this life, and start to hear it. Close your eyes, listen to the affirmations, the positive affirmations, and try to have a sound sleep. Like I've said before, your conscious mind will be at sleep, but your subconscious mind is still awake, and he will absorb all the positivity in your mind and will have an effect in your life. So do it. Last but not the least, the 5th point, and probably one of the most important, is set tomorrow's schedule. Like I've said in the starting of this video, that many of the people are clueless when they wake up in the morning. They feel agitated, confused, frustrated because they have so many things or probably nothing in their mind that what they needed to be done in this coming 24 hours. That is why it is very important to set up the schedule of all the things that needed to be done in this 24 hours. You got to set a timetable that these are the things which are very important, and these are the things which need to be done. So when you wake up in the morning, you already are confirmed with all the things that need to be complete, and that will make you a winner in life. Make it a habit, like a discipline. Do it on a regular basis, on it every day, and see the difference in your life. You will become a successful person because every day you are doing something good in your life. You are becoming a better person than before. So that is why it is very important to set a schedule of all the things that need to be done in the next day. So I hope that you understand all these 5 pointers, and I hope that you're going to implement this in your life. Do let me know in the comment section what you feel. This is Vaibhav Nigam. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it right now. Smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. Till then, I will see you soon. Take care. Cheers. Bye bye.